How to paint a realistic eye in oils. Okay, there are three things to take into account when trying to paint an eye. First, it's important to understand that the transitions between each plane are very subtle and very soft. Most of the time, I start by placing the shadows and gradually move into the lights. The second thing to know is that the white of the eye is actually not white at all. For example, here the left side of the eye is quite bright, but if you look at the right, it's the opposite. It's actually pretty dark. And the first reason for that is because light has a very hard time reaching that area. And two, the eye is like a sphere. It's going to turn and get inside, and in this example is going to become darker. The last thing to take into account is the volume of the eye. For example, if I were to simplify the painting in a few lines, it will look something like this. So some places go outside and some places go inside. Now, one rule to remember is that you can't paint something unless you know its volume and how to draw it. And of all of this, here is the result.